for apple, red and bright. B for ball that rolls in sight. C for cat with a mouse so sweet. D for duck with webbed feet. E for elephant strong and tall. F for fish that swims in the fall. G for goat on the grassy hill. H for hen, cluck cluck never still. Sing the letters one by one. Learning's just begun. So much fun. From A to Z we'll shout with cheer. Clap your hands, the end is near. I for ice cream, cool and nice. J for jelly, waddly slice. K for kite that soars up high. L for lion's mighty cry. N for moon that glows at night. N for rest, but cozy and tight. O for owl, the who call. P for panda, peekaboo, y'all. Sing the letters one by one. Learning's just begun. So much fun. From A to Z we'll shout with cheer. Clap your hands, the end is near. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit having a round. S for sun, a fiery sphere. T for turtle, slow and sincere. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on a winding lane. W for whale in the ocean blue. I for xylophone dingling too. Y for yak, but you're so fluffy. Z for zebra stripes so tussy. Now we've danced from A to Z. Laugh and sing.